Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Ganesh Benzoplast. Actually, we gave a stock recommendation before couple of weeks. I have suggested this stock as a multi-bagger. Few of our subscribers are asking why the multi-bagger is not performing, when it will start perform. So I need to say that a multi-bagger will not perform whenever you think. The returns of the multi-bagger will be achieved only after a good sum of time. So basically, you should understand one thing: the stock will perform just 2 days, and the returns will be for the entire 2 months. So the stock may perform now because the stock is following a higher lows formation. Whenever a higher low is forming, it means there is a strength for bulls and the prices are not in a free fall, so it's really good to go long. Even now the stock is ready to go long because the higher lows are forming here. So look at the higher lows and look at the resistance level. The stock entered the resistance here and just like that started falling, and once again the stock hit a resistance here, the same resistance, and once again started falling, and now the stock hit the resistance here, but this time it's really different. Look at the major support zone. So this can be taken as the major support zone for the stock because when the stock tried to move higher, it acted as a resistance and now it acts as a support. So the prices are moving higher and higher. The buyers are not letting the price to fall. So this is a good sign to go long. Actually, the stock is very good to go long because the stock is very cheap. The current valuation of the stock is very cheap for the business they have. So it has a strong business and the company is growing very fast. So one can go long in the stock even now because look at the resistance here. The resistance was hit and the stock took a support here, and the stock is trading near the resistance for more than 2 weeks. So it's really a good sign. It's a sign of bulls because when a stock facing a resistance, the stock should fall vigorously, but the stock is trading near the resistance and even above the resistance. So it's really good thing to be considered for going long. The stock also gave a breakout here. The breakout is quite weak because the breakout candle is with good sellers. So such a sellers will be exhausted only if the stock moves vigorously, or else they will try to pull the stock down. But there is no room for downside because the stock is very bullish, and I'm still sure that the stock will give a fantastic return because the stock took a consolidation for more than 1 year. It's almost 1 year, so the stock will perform well from now. I'm sure that because the valuation is very cheap, and I think it's a good reaccumulation zone for the stock because whenever a distribution forms, there will be a pattern like lower highs or a channel pattern with weak bulls. These are the most common patterns for distribution zone, but here we can see a higher low formation. So mostly the higher low will give a fantastic return. So the stock will perform in coming days. Let me erase all this. So let me draw the resistance now. So this is the major resistance for the stock, and in the long term basis it's a major support from now because the stock already took the resistance out and the stock is trading above the resistance. So I think it's a small accumulation zone for this consolidation breakout. So the stock took a breakout and now it's good to go long, but never go long or take positions in a stock based on some other person's words because understand your psychology and take trades. That's the main thing to be understood before taking trades in such stocks. The stock will take even a month to deliver a good return but you should have patience to catch the return. So that's the only thing to be understood for catching big trends. So the stock is really good for now, and the stock can be at the price range of 116. The 116 is the target of the flag pattern that I found here. So this flag pattern can be taken as the first target for the stock, and one can even expect 200 to 300 price range within a matter of few years. So a multi-bagger return will be achieved only on long term. In short term, you can't even make a single rupee from such stocks. So take trades on stocks which you can understand. So the stock is still good. I believe in the stock, and I have also invested in the stock. So I think the stock will give a good return within a matter of few weeks. And for a multi-bagger return, you have to wait. And the short-term target for the stock is around 116, which is almost a double from the current market price. So take trade on your own analysis and believe in stocks after you invest, because the impatience will make you to book losses or partial profits. The profits in stocks will be given to few people who have patience to ride a trend. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.